Welcome back to Civil Conclave presentations, dear friends. Today we are going to discuss about the rate analysis for IPS, Tremix, Kota, Granite Kitchen Platform, Italian Marble, etc. etc. In one of the slide you can find the download link for the Excel sheet. 25 mm Kota store flooring. Let us consider the quantity will be 10 square meter. Size will be 550 by 550. So the number of pieces is required 18 pieces. Wastage is 0.1. Cement mortar will be 32 mm. Joints in cement mortar required 2 kg per square meter, that is the below bed, in inches. 4.5 kg per square meter above the bed. Material Kota square meter 11 square meter at the rate of 400 will be 4,400. Polishing 10 square meter at the rate of 130 will be 1,300 rupees. Cement bag 3.1 bags at the rate of 400 will be 1240. Grout 2 kgs at the rate of 80 will be 160. Sand cubic meter 0.342 at the rate of 6,000 will be 2,057. POP protection cover 10 square meter at the rate of 80 rupees will be 800 rupees. The total cost will be 9,957 is the material cost. Labor 10 square meter at the rate of 300 will be 3,000 rupees. So material plus labor will be 12,957. Add overhead and contractor's profit of 15% and 12,957. It will be 1943. Contractor profit 10% on 14,900 will be 1490. That will be which are to 16,390. GST on 16,390 at the rate of 18% will cost you 2,950. This will put a total amount on 19,340. So hence rate per square meter will be 19,340 divided by 10 will become 1934. So hence rate per square meter, labor will be 300, material will be 1634. So total will be 1934. 17 to 18 mm thick Italian marble stone. Let us consider 10 square meter. Size will be 650 by 550 by 550, 18 pieces. Wastage 1.1. Cement mortar will be 32 mm. Joints in cement will be 2 kgs per centimeter square meter below bed. Joints in cement mortar 4.5 kgs per square meter above bed. Now let us do the analysis. Material marble 11 square meter at the rate of 4,306 rupees is equal to 47,366. Polishing 10 square meter at the rate of 216 will be 2,160. Cement will be 3.1 bags at the rate of 800 will be 2,480. Grout 2 at the rate of 49 will be 98. Sand 0.342 at the rate of 2,650 will be 908. POP protection cover 10 square meter at the rate of 80 will be 800 rupees. So the material cost will be 53,812. Labor cost at the rate of 500 rupees for 10 square meter will be 5,000 rupees. So labor plus material will make you 52,812. Add contractor overhead 15% on 58,812 will be 8821. So the total will become 67,634.50. Contractor profit 10% on 67,634 will make you 6763. So the total will become 74,397. GST 18% on 74.397 will be 13,391. Okay. So the rate per square meter will be 87,788 divided by 10 will make you 8778.95. So rate per square meter, labor will be 746.35, material will be 8,032.6, total is equal to 8780. Now let us talk about IPS. 50 mm thickness, quantity is 10 square meter. The concreting ratio will be 1:2:4. Material cement for concreting 3.25 bags at the rate of 400 will be 13.2. Cement for floating coat 0.375 bag at the rate of 400 will be 150. Sand 2.217 at the rate of 6000 will be 868571. Stone aggregate, that is a 12 mm metal, 0.10 cubic meter at the rate of 883 will be 43.42. Metal 20 mm downgraded metal 0.325 at the rate of 883 will be 130. Glass strip 45 mm by 3 mm thick, running meter, you require 11.34 at the rate of 6 rupees 68.04. So the total cost will be 1781. Labor 175 rupees for 10 square meter will be 1750. So labor plus material will cost you 3775.78. Contractor overhead 15% on 3775 will be 5666. The total will make you 4342.15. Contractor profit 0.1% will be becomes 434. So the total cost will be 4776. So hence rate per square meter will be 4776 divided by 10 will be 477.636. Rate per square meter. Labor will be 221.37, material will be 256, the total will make you 477.66. Black granite wash basin counter 600 mm wide with a Kadapa base. Size of the counter 0.5 by 1.5. Okay. Fascia will be 0.100 mm wide. Wastage in stone 0.15. Material granite top 19 mm thick, 0.862 square meter at the rate of 1000 will be 862. Kadapa 40 mm thick, 0.862 at the rate of 275 237. Granite fascia 0.275 at the rate of 1000 will be 275. Cement grey cement 0.107 at the rate of 275 29.64. Sand 0.017 cubic meter at the rate of 2650 47.617. Polishing 0.275 at the rate of 129.638 35 rupees 52 paise. Add for planks, clamps, dowels 1000 rupees. So the material cost will be 1587. Labor cost running meter 1.5 meter at the rate of 1200 will be 1800 rupees. So labor plus material will be 3387. Contractor overhead on 3387 15% will be 508. That makes a total of 3895. Contractor profit on 3895 10% will make you 389. That makes a total of 4285. So rate per running meter will be 4285 divided by 1.5 is equal to 2856. So rate per running meter. Labor will be 1518, material will be 1338. The total becomes 285677. Granite jam sills to lifts 17 to 18 mm thick granite stones. Quantity 10 running meter. Size 550 by 250, that is 6 pieces required. Wastage 0.05. Adhesive 3 mm thick. Grout 2 mm. Material granite 2.62 square feet 62 square meter at the rate of 4306 11303. Adhesive kg 8.75 kg at the rate of 42 367.50. Grout 1.15 at the rate of 49 will make you 56.47. Polishing 2.5 square meter at the rate of 129 will make you 322.92. Add for pin, clips and etc. Lump sum is 50 rupees, that is 12,100 rupees. Labor 10 running meters at the rate of 250 2500. So labor plus material makes you 14,600. Contractors overhead on 14,600 15% will be 2,190. That makes a total of 16,790. Contractor profit 10% on 16,790 will make you 1679. The total will become 18,469. So rate per running meter 18,469 divided by 10 will be 1846. In this, labor will be 316.25, material will be 1530 per running meter. Tramix flooring, M20. Area is considered 10 square meter, thickness is 75 mm. Cement content, kg per cubic meter 315. Cement 4.96 at the rate of 400, 1984. Sand 0.41 cubic meter at the rate of 2650, 1093. Aggregates 0.69 at the rate of 883, 615 rupees. Admixture 0.744 kg at the rate of 43.5, will be 32.37. Add for VCOM dewatering and cutting grooves 0.75 at the rate of 1250, will be 937.5. Bitumen grout for a grooves 2.34 at the rate of 20, will be 46.8. Epoxy hardener 10 kgs at the rate of 10 square meter at the rate of 250, will be 2500. So the material cost will be 7210. Labor at the rate of 150 will be 1500. Hence labor plus material 8710. Add overhead 15% on 8710 will be 1306, which makes the total of 10,016. Profit 10% on 10,016 will be 1001. So the total cost will be 11,017. Rate per square meter 11,017 divided by 10 will be 1101. In this, labor will be 139, material will be 746. The total makes you 886. GST will be to be added to. Paver blocks. Quantity 10 square meter, wastage will be 0.05. Sand bedding is 50 mm thick. Material paver blocks 10.5 square meter at the rate of 500 rupees, will be 5240. Sand 0.55 at the rate of 2650, 1457, which will make you 6707.5. Labor 10 square meter at the rate of 125 rupees, 1250. So labor plus material will make you 7957. Contractors overhead 15% on 7957 will make you 1193, which makes a total of 9151. Add contractor profit 0.1% on 9151 will be 915. So total amount will be 10,066. So rate per square meter 10,066 divided by 10 will be 1,006, in which labor will be 158, material will be 848. The total makes you 1,006.62. You have to add the GST 18% on it. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can download the Excel sheet from the given URL. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. The link is been provided here. Once again, thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe and motivate.